Hey everyone, this is Mahesh. So let's see how to install node.js into Windows 11 operating system. So I'm in a Chrome browser, just search for node.js and you can see the result. Click on the link. So here is it's showing by default operating system here and the recommended download, or you can just go to the download tab. So here you can see the different versions for different operating systems. So I'm going to click on the Windows installer. It will get downloaded too, and it will be in your download folder. Just open it. Okay, so it will show a wizard. So I just need to click on next, accept the terms. Again I'm going to click on next, the file path where we are going to install the node.js. I'm not going to change, but if you want to change, then you can click on the change button and set the path for the installation. So I'm clicking on the next again. So I'm not going to change any setting over here. I'm just clicking next. No need to check this checkbox. So clicking on next. Alright, lastly I'm going to click on the install button. It's installing. Node.js has been successfully installed. Click on finish. Alright, so I'm going to check if the node.js is installed or not. So open the command prompt and type node space hyphen and v. So it will show a version of node.js that you have been installed. So that's it. Thank you very much guys for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.